Yo, man, Sanmonan, and this is Timeline Radio Sports team. Today we are filling in for Ukago no cleaner, but I'm with my brother, Stum. How's it?
Hey, Shapin.
Mnandi bitch.
I'm not.
We are back again. Weekend enkulu, game enkulu. But I don't think it's a game enkulu kangago today. We were talking off air there, and we are not really happy about how things went down.
Let me start with greeting the viewers.
Yes,
the last time I was here, no. Hot man, as in today, I'm disappointed. More especially in the first day, I know. It's getting more and more disappointing in terms of like a performance. If we are check, I think both teams did not even have a game plan. Both teams did not have a game plan. But we're expecting that from the Kaizer Chiefs because I'm not creativity immediately. So Pirates should have done better. So according to the way in a corner, it's more like Ngati Chiefs. If I know which perform better than the Pirates, it was just that penalty because of. If it wasn't for a penalty, that we take that as a win for a Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah, true. Looking at how Pirates was playing, we thought Guti is a Koropa in Kaizer Chiefs today. Like a lot of people, that's what they thought. Guti, it's gonna happen. But I was looking at Abonkota. I think Dotli was there. Jenga Katsu perform also Tito. Beanga Bonagala only saw him twice. Mabam Fowler was not the last penalty. But most of our keepers were Pirates today. They were not there.
Yeah, also a capacity. I feel the more abantu bakhona groundini then now ufuna ukwenza le nto leyo ukuziprova yabo so ngithi ufana ukuthi manje ugcine wenza izinto ezi extraordinary but at the end of the day ama creative players weBhakania they did not show up. They did not come to the party at all. So it's part of the
looking
game.
at the stats, man, it Chiefs I think they've won 42 or 44 games, 74 games over Pirates. I think the Pirates they're sitting at 40 something. Do you think the Pirates will catch up? Because now goals as well, Chiefs are now good. It's 230 compared to 198 the way Pirates. So do you think Pirates will ever catch up to that?
I don't think they will ever catch up to that. Anyway, a topic for another day because that's more to Isusa abantu bakutshela ngama brown envelope. Kaizer Chiefs that, Kaizer Chiefs this. So khona izinto eseke weakness anathi kudala ngeChiefs but stats is khuluma. I don't think they will catch up.
Yeah, and I'm personally, man, today, because I've been watching from the first thing, because there's a first chance in 2 minutes where the Miller converted that goal. But as we all know, with Chiefs, when it comes to converting a goal in 18 areas, it's a problem, because there was a chance of Miller scoring. I saw now Mabas, I think when I miss Abalegila out too. So we're supposed to be sitting at 4 something. Pirates want to score something like 3 goals, even though Chiefs they were number miss. I think goal like the first 2 minutes.
You will get that a lot. Obviously, abantu mabaya kwidabi bafuna ukwenza like the best, bafuna ukubonakala. Looking at mostly ama game before idabi, you will get ama team perform a bad because bafuna ukuziprepare idabi. But when it comes to today, Chiefs bafethu in terms of converting, I think iksamele angazi kumele benzeni. Bayolanda bomsona babavuse baba create or something like that, because mina according to me idabi iphele ngesikhathi sabo bhekile
my worry is when it comes to Kaizer Chiefs, we don't have a starting 11 as strength. That's another thing, Nyabona like what he's trying to do. But it's not really man, you understand? While with the Pirates of us, it's okay. And we know with the first 45 minutes, we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you understand? But when it comes to the Chiefs, we ask about also a substitute work. We keep about doing about keeper, you understand? So that's another problem that I have with Kaizer Chiefs at this point.
But man, yazi ukhukhuma uvuza. Mawuthi uvala lana kuvuza lana uvala lana so you will chop and change. Sinini izenke lokurufela so uthatha ulibeke esayidini ngapha. So the Kaizer Chiefs we still going to struggle ngokuthi sithole starting 11. Sisazo struggle a lot because of yabona one thing be good coach uqale nge-defense. Defense yakhe mina I feel like ukuthi it's solid. Abo Dotli yabona ba Miguel ba solid and then we need to get nje at least ama wing back nyana azo nawo kwazi ukuba complementa. From there sibuyele semidlini siyofuna someone creative because we don't have a creativity. So once we don't have a creativity, amabhola wayiphambili. Abo Chiba Viro mabathola lawo ma-chance amancane lawo, and then there was nothing abayenzayo, because looking at ama games iChiefs they were winning, it was individual brilliance abo Mduduzi, Shabalala, yabo Mfundo Vilakazi. So if those boys they don't come to a party, then go by problem.
Then go by flop, and also we must we saw what the goalkeeper. Then we're supposed to have a goalkeeper and you don't get a foil. And then someone can start to hey, some minutes. So it means that when it comes to the goalkeeper also which is we're still having a problem. You know, I think if we can keep the current goalkeeper a chance for him to play more, because sometimes we play the momentum, then on the next match, Chagasek, you know, then Magabu, I feel like he's gone back to the same, you understand, goalkeeper level. But now I can say he's getting there bit by bit, but also goalkeeper, we still have a serious problems.
Now, I feel like we need to give credit to his two guys. Emelian Quino was brilliant. One of the best, actually, in the whole world. One of the best guys. So, if Sizo Kufunu Guti manje goalkeeper way to avale space alo yamuntu luyana, she big shoes to fill. So, yeah, I go kolula for them. But yeah, Bruce yes is getting there. I think Futi the good thing Guti he is a South African, not being xenophobic, but he's a South African, has been there. So, from good previous goalkeeper coach. So I think Ukubega na some of the things I mean I will keep Uvuma stretch.
Yeah, man, the elephant in the room is last minute what's my chipele. We saw what's Urebuile Verakona Parati, then who's this Uplom, then Azam Consam Faula and Vindo Azula, Mangatsu Urebun advantage, then Rebula Maze. Then by refer to a penalty.
Yeah, but I feel okay, that was unfair because Ukala opening advantage and then from Gulio advantage play al convictor. So it's not like Uguchi Msambe opening advantage which bam foulile then they say that's why I'm a convictor. No, Lomuntu lona bam foulile, bam bambile, wajula, then from Exulin, Agasakor, so Vekmele shoot Bruce Apu Mepalin so that was doesn't make sense. I think also it was brave of Mr. Rev which opening a penalty liana last minute. It was the softest penalty I've ever seen. The softest I've ever seen.
Because I saw even in slow motion the following up because when I thought they were gonna rev Bruce, then I'm gonna go to Keba rev then we tried looking at that foul in the corner because we should not take advantage in the footage. But still, because I think if they are correct, it was gonna be a goal either way, regardless. You know. So on that part, because I'm aware a lot of people are going to be hurt.
Yeah, let's say Uploma Gambambang. Then that was a miss
True.
At the end of the day. So it wasn't going to be a penalty, it wasn't going to be like a goal at the same time. So I understand Mr. Evans, which I recall it back, I like a penalty. But even the last scaling about Mr. Evans, so scaling about referee, like at the end of the day, was it's a human error. But hey,
it was a call. Yeah, man. Today I wish to say that it was a beautiful game, but we watched it regardless. You know, it's Spain too. It's a shiny Spain, and speaking of it, thank you so much. What are you expecting now going forward? Because Pirates will obviously are performing this season, but when it comes to Chiefs, like we expected now from this match, because I believe that they've played better now on this game compared to other games with other small teams.
Okay, firstly, I will start with the fans. I'm expecting them to be very patient with Chiefs, guys. I'm not going to expect some miracles. There is no way Chiefs in the league or in I will say it's best to go to Pirates to 3 points, at least if I get pressure on Sundowns, which Sundowns all the way. So let's be patient with the Kaizer Chiefs. Let's allow a coach Guti Sibon Guti Nazamu we pega, even if normally in Pega in Abonagali, but get some guy chance. Then Nazamu Guti Shanganisa, whatever like Shanganisa, because it is the thing about my 3 seasons or so. Guti at least there was Guti be a team that will compete.
So do you see Nabi lasting much?
No, that one it will depend on the Mtaungs guys. We know Kaizer Chiefs fans are one power in terms of a coach. So management a team if unugambi so coaches omhambisa noma bangaze bayenzeni if the Mtaungs bathakahamba ngeke hamba.
Yeah man, thank you so much for the visit, my brother. Hopefully on the next game, because I know you're a busy person, you'll make time as well to come, because I don't do this, so normally I just fill in if the chance are available. But nonetheless, man, thank you so much, and also your brains towards football. It's super amazing, you know. So my inputs are cool, they are dope. So I believe I would learn a lot from you, because I know history in football is super crazy, more than even learn, you know. So me, I can only analyze only from one way. I need to watch the game in order for me to analyze. But with you, I don't. We forget like in the second half, but already you know what the goals are throughout, you know. But nonetheless, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much for visiting. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. Bit by bit, we're gonna get there on our way to 1,000 subscribers. At least today, we can get 5 subscribers to 300. And this is Timeline Radio Sports. Till the next episode. Thank you.